Hey guys, in this video, I'll guide you through how to unlink TikTok Shop account. Alright, let's begin the video. First, open the TikTok mobile application and log into your account. Once you're logged in, navigate to your profile icon located at the bottom right of your screen. Next, click on the three-bar icon situated at the top right of your screen to access the menu. In the menu, select the Settings and Privacy option. Under the Settings and Privacy section, look for and click on Security. This will bring up various security options. From here, select Manage App Permissions. Within the App Permissions section, locate the TikTok Shop option and click on it. You will see the option to remove access. If you want to unlink the TikTok Shop, simply click on Remove Access and confirm by clicking Remove. This action will successfully unlink the TikTok Shop from your account. So that's basically how to unlink TikTok Shop account. So that's all for this video. If you find it helpful, consider subscribing and giving this big thumbs up, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.